Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am at Walmart for my, what is this? My midweek. And this was super easy. Like, I only generate base for $5, you guys. And to be honest, I did 7 of them at frickin' CVS, you guys. CVS has been, it's a slow week, but it's been really, really awesome with rebates, especially Ibotta. And so I did 7 of them there already, you guys, which is crazy. I'm hoping that one will reset for me today. I can do again. I debate on doing the Got to Be again, the cereal deal again, the Fiber One deal again. It's like, it's just really been matching up really, really well with Ibotta, even though CVS is slower this week. However, I did want to be able to still bring you guys a Walmart video this week, even though I don't have a ton of deals to share with you guys. But if you're new here and this is your first time joining, this is the first time seeing this lovely face, don't forget to take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to turn your notifications on because you never want to miss out on a video. And so, with that being said, I got my drink, y'all. You know, they sent me, Panera Bread sent me an email because I'm a super sipper. I pretty much went every freaking day. I didn't go yesterday though. But I've been going every single day since I signed up because I know that when it ends on the 31st of March, is it March? Yes. I got more than, it made it more than worth it for me. And so they sent me an email saying, you're a super sipper. And I was like, yeah, I'm a super sipper. Yeah. I don't have a lot of deals to share with y'all. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I don't have a lot of deals to share with y'all. But I want to share with you guys the deals that I did do. Again, I didn't have to do any deals, all right? Because I did 7 at CVS and I only needed 3 more. But I really want to see how many I can get towards the Cosmic Comic. I really, really want to finish that. Hoping I can finish it off with this weekend. And so we shall see. Other than that, you guys, I will see you guys in the store for some awesome, awesome deals. So keep on watching.
Alright guys, so the first deal I was actually looking for up here by the checkout, but I don't see any Funyuns. They usually have the Funyuns over here, and they're 48 cents, and there is a 25 cents back on Fresh Reward. I was hoping I could grab, but they don't have any. So, but if you can find them, it'll make it like, what, 25 cents? 24 cents? Which is not bad for a little snack. Okay, this next deal is on the Impossible. It's on the Impossible meatballs or the Impossible nuggets. They're priced at $7.28. Now, for this, we have rebates on Ibotta for $1.50 for each of them. Plus, there's 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3. It'll make them $2.78 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. And so, yeah. And just a friendly reminder that the Proper Good deal is still going on. So if you have not redeemed for your free offer, I'll have a link for you in the description box. These are priced at $5.98. Now the offer on Shopkick has slowly been decreasing, so now mine's is like $200, which is 80 cents. So for you, you're gonna grab one of these. You'll get that back through the Aisles app, but then you're gonna submit on Shopkick. You'll get back 80 cents. So for you, it'll be a 80-cent moneymaker. Now for me, I'm only getting back $5 on the Aisles app. So for me, it'll make it like 20 cents or something like that. So yeah, this next deal is on the core bars on the 4-pack. It's priced at $7.48. So for that, I'm gonna grab one. Now this just popped up on Ibotta this morning for a free offer. You're getting back $7.99, so it's already making it like a 50-cent moneymaker. I'm gonna submit this on the Aisles app for the core rebate. I've been getting this one, you guys, and it has been working for me. Getting back the $7.48, so it'll end up making this like an $8 moneymaker. Alright, so this next deal is that was so funny. I'm over here spraying stuff. I'm like that person over here spraying the sprays to see which ones smell best. Yeah, now this whole aisle's gonna give you a flipping migraine when you walk down it. But listen, it's on the Glade air freshener. These are they're larger. They're a lot larger than these little ones over here. These are the 8.3 ounce cans. They're priced at $2.28. You're gonna grab one, you get back $1 on Ibotta. You also get back $1 on coupons.com, ShopMe, Alexa, whichever one. Making this only 28 cents, and this one right here is like my favorite one. And so yeah, this just popped up for me this morning because it wasn't there last night. And so it's priced at $9.98. They finally went up by $1 at all my stores. And so we're gonna grab one. We'll pay $9.98, but then we're gonna submit on Ibotta for $6 back. We're also going to submit on the coupons.com app as well for $6. It's also on ShopMium as well as Alexa, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. And so, yeah, we'll just add this to the other 243 we have at home. You know what? I was thinking, since I think the limit on this one is 5 on Ibotta, since this one made us $2, I think I'm just going to go ahead and grab... I'm going to grab 3. I'll submit on coupons.com for 1, Alexa for 1, and ShopMium for the other one. Kiss Mojito. Okay, so listen. I was looking for the gummy bear one in the larger pack. It's priced at $2.78. And it is on Brand Club, which I know you guys haven't heard me say. Y'all like, brand what? Brand what? It is on Brand Club. It's right there. Okay, for $2.78. It's in the large pack, but they only have the rings here. So if you can find that one, then you can do a survey for it. And the survey for it is, I think, $1.50. And then 50 cents on Ibotta. The Brand Club survey is actually $1.65. And then 50 cents on Ibotta. So to make it 63 cents for the larger gummy bear pack. Now, the smaller one, there is a rebate on Ibotta for that one. And it is... Actually, you know what? It's the same rebate, 50 cents. So if you want to get that one, you would pay $1.39. And then let me see what the Brand Club survey is for that. What's the lowest one? Because it is right here. We're going to click Kiss Mojito. And then we're going to click down here to see what the surveys are. They changed their survey amounts. The highest one is $1.65, although they do have some that are $3 still. So for this one, I would have to do the one for $1.35, which would be a good deal because it'd be $1.35, the Brand Club. And it should unlock once you make your purchase. So once I make my purchase, I'm going to add this receipt to my Walmart app, and then I'll sync my Brand Club. And then hopefully in like less than an hour, the survey will pop up for me to do, and then I'll do it before I sync my account again, and I should get the money. So let's go back 130. So it'll be a 46-cent moneymaker. So yeah, not a bad deal for something that you might want to try. I've never tried these, and I've kind of dabbled with the whole keto thing, and it works, let me tell you. But I love my carbs, and so this deal here is on the Shea Moisture. I've been getting this on Shopkick, but let me tell you, it does have to be like you have to put a ticket in, and it doesn't go through for me. And I've gotten I think I've gotten all of them except this one right here. This, I'm gonna grab one at $3. I'll be getting back 865 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.46, and then I'm gonna do a Brand Club. So I already did a Brand Club survey for $1.50, which will make this a $1.96 moneymaker. All right, so my next deal is on the Dollar Shave Club. It's gonna be on the shave gel. It's priced at $5.97. I'm gonna be grabbing one of those. I'm gonna submit on Ibotta for $3.50. 350 kicks on Shopkick. Well, 370 kicks on Shopkick, and then $1.50 on Fetch Reward. So it'll make this a 51-cent moneymaker. And so yeah. All right, this deal here. Big shout out to Coupon and Watisa. It's on the Hydro Silk razor. It's priced at $10.47. I'm sorry, $10.47. We're gonna grab one. It is working for 2 different rebates on Ibotta. One is 3, one is 4. There's also a rebate on coupons.com as well. ShopMium, Alexa, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. Because that one's making us a little bit of money, we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these. I was gonna just grab one. They're $6.47. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta. You'll get back $4 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMium, which will make it 47 cents. Y'all thought I was playing. I think I damn near scanned everything. Y'all know with this whole double. Look at that. Only 285 left. I think I scanned everything. There was a couple that I missed, I know, that wouldn't scan, but let's see. Of course, the Wi-Fi is crappy in here. For the deodorant, I scanned everything. And oh yeah, y'all, with this body wash, we got that last week. I'm going to scan my receipts for $2 back on each of my accounts with that. So that's going to be an extra $4. I scanned all of these. I scanned everything. Let me see. One of these didn't scan. This one right here didn't scan for me. And then hair. I think I got all of the hair stuff done. Yep, all of the hair is done. Only one on the razors I couldn't find was this one right here. I couldn't find this one right here. All of the body wash is done. Couldn't find these 2 new Dr. Peppers to scan, and the men's didn't scan. No, the men scanned, but the women didn't. And then I scanned all the soups. I'm gonna scan these magazines on my way out the door, and they didn't have the Bic. So your girl, I took total advantage of the double scans on Shopkick. And so yeah, see you guys at home for the final breakdown. So here is my small little haul for today. I'm sorry you have to see that 7-Up, you guys. I did that on Sunday and wanted to make it a part of this haul. The deal is dead, but I was able to do it twice on Sunday when it reset. I did it on Swagbucks and my points, and it went straight through. With this Hydro Silk, so when I scanned it in store, it did double attach, but when I submitted the receipt, I had to verify the product. I scanned it, and it worked for the one it's supposed to work for, and it didn't for the other one. So basically what I ended up doing is I unchecked it, and I was just like, I'm just gonna take it back. And so when I submitted my receipt though, I did a screenshot as I always do, right? So these are the ones I submitted for. So I didn't even submit for that one because I was gonna take it back with the receipt because I really wanted the cash. I didn't want it to go back to a gift card. And so I was gonna use it with the receipt. So I took it off, I unchecked it. And can you believe it actually still went through? And so I wanted to share that with you guys because just in case you happen to do it. So this is the one right here. All right, and it actually went through even though I unchecked it. So I did get credit for both of them, even though I didn't think that I would. And again, I was going to take it back because I was just like, no, I'm not paying for no razors. And so I wanted to mention that really quick. Oh, another thing too with the core bar. So up until this point, I've always been able to get credit with that on through the Aisles app. I've gotten credit for the 4-pack, which is $7.48. I've always gotten credit for it, but today when I submitted my receipt, I only got $3. I know a few of you guys did mention in the comments under my community post that you only can get $3, and I have honestly always gotten. Let me see if I can pull up my Venmo. I've always gotten $7.48, and I just happened to try it one day. I submitted it on Aisles first. It went through. Then I submitted on Ibotta because I figured if it didn't go through, I could always return it and not even submit it on Ibotta. But because it went through, I was like, okay, cool. So I've been getting these 4-packs and getting back $7.48 through Aisles. Let me go through my activity really quick without showing too much info. All right, so this is my Venmo right here. And if I scroll down, anytime you see $7.48, there goes one there. There goes one there. There goes one there. There goes one there. I've always gotten credit for it right there. Right there. And so, yeah, I've always gotten credit for it. And so I guess maybe they fixed it. And so I only got $3, but I figured it's still a great deal because it's still like a $3.50 moneymaker. So I went ahead and kept it. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it. So, and I know it's been so windy lately, and the sun it's cloudy too. That's Josiah's school right there in our backyard. I'd be like, let me just throw a little rope over the wall, let him just climb over. And his teachers or his class is like right there too, but it's really cloudy and windy today. And so because I totally slaughtered this breakdown, we're gonna do it again. So everything you see here retails $82.89. I had $4.69 in sales tax, and your girl didn't have not one single coupon, like not one, which is crazy, right? Because I was like, what the what? So the out of pocket was $82.89. We got back a total boatload though. I got back $36.99 from Ibotta, $8 from the Aisles app, $10 from Swagbucks, $10 from My Points, $11 from coupons.com, $9 from ShopMium, $5 from Alexa, $4.10 from Brand Club, Shopkick was so much fun. $27.30, and then Fetch Reward was $1.50. Now, really quick with Shopkick, I was in there scanning everything. Like the little associate in there, she was like, "Oh, you're still here." But the way she said it, I was just like, well, like yeah, like as long as I'm not in here stealing shit, like let me do me." And so I scanned everything. I think I only missed like 3 items that I couldn't scan. But between me and Joseph's account was like $7 each, which is awesome. I did scan my receipt from the Axe body wash that we did as well. So hopefully I'll get back $2 for each of those as well. So we got back a total of $122.89, making everything you see here free plus a $40 money maker, y'all. And even after tax, your girl still made $35. Like, do you know what I could do with $35? Like, that goes a long way in the coupon community. And so other than that, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to show your love by liking this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
I have to come down to your level because I want to try these because your girl is freaking. I feel like I'm always starving. I feel like I'm always hungry. Is that bad? Okay, so these are the keto. Let's see, 2 grams net carbs. How many calories? I guess it don't matter. I'm eating the whole thing anyway. So look what he has. 40 calories per what? I didn't rip the whole bag. Oh, this is a serving size. 40 calories for one bag. I ate them all. And Josiah said he would try some, so I'm gonna save some for him. I'm gonna save him the red ones because he likes red. They're tough. They're not like regular gummy bears. They're not like the kind of just melt in your mouth. It's kind of like, I feel like I'm like, I don't want to say they're hard, but they take a lot of like jaw power. Look at that. I need to put my press-ons on. I was gonna put them on today, but I was being a lazy ass. So yeah, they don't taste bad, but they're hard. And I feel like they're not bad. They're only 40 calories. That's good. But it's not like, and the taste goes away really fast. It's like you're chewing a gummy bear and then it's just water. It's not like regular gummy bears, how you eat them and it's like you taste it in your mouth. It's like it kind of lingers. This one don't linger. Ooh, let me taste this green yellow one. They're hard, y'all. Look. They're not bad. I'm a speed plus a money maker. I'm gonna have Josiah try these when he come home from school. He'll be home in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna save the rest for him. But they're not bad, but I don't know if I want to buy them if I wasn't like getting it free. But they're kind of hard. Are they expired? No, they're not expired. Kiss my keto. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Try it. Tell me if you like it. You like it or not? Do they taste like regular gummy bears? No? Don't taste like regular gummy bears? Mommy got them for free. Would you pay for those? You wouldn't pay for those? So they're not kid approved? You wouldn't pay for those? If they were free?
Basically.
I already tried them. I want you to try them. I wouldn't have an honest opinion. So you wouldn't pay for those, huh? No. You like the other ones you get, huh? The non-keto ones, huh?